I'm Maverick with King Arthur Tools, and today we're going to talk about putting the Lancelot onto your grinder. The grinder will have a top nut and a bottom nut. We've got our guard in the 45-degree position and the handle onto the grinder. You don't always have to use this nut with a Lancelot. It can be used with or without if you're just going to mount one Lancelot onto your grinder. It's simply, we've got our Lancelot here. It's all snapped together and ready to go. Just simply slides on the arbor, and we'll use our universal nut. We'll push the shaft lock button using our wrench, and we're ready to carve.